Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Dropbox to Canva. By the end, your Dropbox files will be just a click away inside Canva, allowing you to easily pull in photos, videos, and documents without the hassle of downloading or re-uploading anything. This integration is especially useful for Shopify store owners who want to quickly access product images or marketing materials stored in Dropbox right inside Canva for streamlined design creation. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where you can create a new design or open recent projects. Make sure you're connected to the internet and using the latest version of Canva, whether in your browser or the desktop app. If you're using Canva on your computer, updating the app regularly ensures that you have access to the latest features and bug fixes, which will improve your design workflow. Since the connection options are conveniently located right on this screen, look for the plus icon on the right side of the dashboard. This button expands your options for bringing content into Canva. Click it, then choose Import. Import is where Canva lists the services it can connect to, and Dropbox is one of the built-in options. This feature is a game changer, particularly if you're managing large files or need access to resources stored in cloud services like Dropbox. Select Dropbox from the list to begin linking your accounts. You'll see a prompt to connect Canva to your Dropbox. Click Connect, and Canva will ask for permission to access your Dropbox so it can show your folders and let you import files directly into your designs. This permission is standard for integrations like this, and you're simply authorizing Canva to read the files you choose to bring in. It's a secure and easy way to integrate your cloud-based content into your design process without switching between apps. Take a moment to review the permissions, then continue. If you're not already signed into Dropbox in your browser or app, you'll see a Dropbox sign-in screen. Log into your Dropbox account securely to proceed. If you're already signed in, you can skip straight to the authorization screen. Approve the connection so Canva can access your Dropbox files for importing. This step completes the link between the two services, and once completed, you'll have access to all your Dropbox content right inside Canva. Super handy when you're working on a design and want to avoid downloading or uploading files manually. Once connected, your Dropbox will appear as an import source inside Canva. That means whenever you go to add content to your design, you'll be able to browse your Dropbox folders directly from within Canva and select the files you want. The integration keeps everything in one smooth workflow, saving you time and helping you stay organized across projects. Whether you're pulling in product photos, stock images, or promotional videos for your Shopify store, this feature makes it much easier to access and utilize your assets efficiently. A couple of quick notes. If you have a team or business Dropbox, you may see your team folders alongside personal folders, depending on your account settings. This is particularly useful for those working in teams or managing multiple projects, as you'll have all your files in one place. Also, it can take a brief moment for Dropbox to appear the first time you connect, especially if you have a large number of files or folders. This is normal. Just give it a second to load, and everything will be ready to go. Once it's done, your Dropbox content will be seamlessly available in Canva, saving you time and keeping your projects flowing smoothly. That's it! You've connected Dropbox to Canva, and you're now ready to import your content effortlessly. This connection is a great way to keep your workflow seamless, especially for Shopify store owners, as it simplifies the process of adding high-quality images and documents directly into your designs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with your Dropbox files just a click away. With this setup, you'll be able to streamline your design process and keep your content organized all in one place.